So I'll continue in this only. I'll duplicate this page. I want it for Oracle. So let me add this and let me remove this. Also, I'll change the placing of this. So let me remove all. Okay. So I'll place it like this. This one over here like this. Yeah. And I want, yes, Oracle. And now let's take it some text if we have for training. So, that would help us solve the purpose. So what I'll do is I'll just remove all, put here training, and we can decrease this again. Say Oracle training. If you want, you can remove the background, but then the text and this color should not mix match itself. So just be careful while you are removing the background. Always, if you wish, first check the preview and then only you can apply. Now the color is too, you can say, dull in nature. So I'll apply this, and what I'll do is I'll change the background color over here. I'll give here some different color. Yeah, even this is better. And even for this colors I will change. So let me pick up some color over here. Yeah, this is better. So this one also. Cool enough. So I have added this. Now let's search for some more elements on Oracle also, if we have them. So one is this logo, which we can place it down over here in the bottom. Similarly, let's search for some database images, because that's a database which we are adding. So we can add some appropriate images then in between. That is one sort of data that we have added. Let's put it like this. And I will add the text now, and we'll make it 30. Place it down on this and change the font color to height. So this is my course content. Let's put it in bullets again, similarly as we have created for others. So it is, and place it like this. Then let's copy paste it over here, and I am going to add here, let's say, text that is starting from 15th October to say 20th October at 11 AM or 11 to 12 PM. Placing it in middle like this. Now, let us search for some images, say like this, as DB or database. Even this is better. We'll remove the background for this, so it will be matching, a bit matching to the colors that we have taken. So, and we can place it in the middle so that our post would be completed. So once we have done with this, we'll create it for SQL, and then the last one, that is for Linux. So all the posts would be ready for AB Academy, which they can use for their social media. So you see, it doesn't take much time for creating this. It's only up to you that how creative you are and how creatively you create it. So I'm placing it like this over here in the middle. I'm just seeing that the text is not affected and it is visible properly. That's it, right? Fine with it. So that is how we have created for Oracle training. Now let's duplicate this, and I will remove rest all, and I'll also change the color a bit. Let's make this as a lighter color, and I will search now for SQL Server. So I have this. Let me add this, see, without background. Now see, without background it is not visible properly, so let us cancel. Let's search for some different images then if it is not looking proper. So yeah, even this is better. So now let's try and remove the background for this. Yes, this is much more better. So I'm just putting it down here, and this is for my SQL training. So let me add a text here for training, and this will be in black color so that it is visible, and bold also. Okay, so that is how I have added. Now let's search for some more elements of, say, Microsoft SQL Server. So I'm specific that I want to add it for Microsoft SQL Server. If you wish, you can add it as normal SQL, so you have even many other databases before which you can add them. So let me try and add only for SQL, or you can also search for in general the values for DB. So I'm also searching for MS SQL. No, I don't have any for MS SQL. Let's search for SQL only, and I may have this one. Let's take it. Now MySQL and all is different, so you have to be specific as to what trainings you're going to conduct. So let's search SQL Server only. So I can add this as database connectivity, even this one. So this will remain here only. This I am adding it over here, let's say, then adding it here, and one over here. If you find that this is more congested, move it like this. So that's how we have created for SQL, and now we'll create one more for Linux. So let me add appropriate values for Linux operating. This is the logo, so we can definitely add this here. I can place it over here by, let's say, removing the background. Okay, this is okay. I can add it like this. So let's, oh, it didn't got applied. Fine, let us just again remove and then we will add it. Yes, apply, applied. Okay, fine. So that is how I have added. Now Linux training, I will place it like this. This is the logo which we can use. If you want some images, you can search for images of Linux training, or you can also take, some corporate trainings, some professional people working as such. So let's say, I'll search for some professionals working. Even this is one which you can add, but it's a video, so we don't want a video, we want photos rather. So let's go to photos and then we'll click and add. Yeah, this is also something which we can add. Oh, these two are different, so let's add this one, not this one. Even this is better. So if I add this by removing the background, and it will take the default post background that we have given. So let us apply it that way. I will apply this. Fine, applied, and I'm just decreasing a bit. Fine. So that's it. I have created it for Linux as well. So appropriately add the images or background or whatever you need to change, and then just go ahead and create it. So these are the 3 things that we created, or rather more than that. It's .NET, Oracle, Java, SQL, and Linux.